Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss this little LCR meter. This is my BK Precision 879B. Had this for a while. I mainly use the tweezers on it. Works good, but I've seen a lot of hype, so I bought something. And we're going to put it neck to neck with the 879B. Let's open this up. Just show you, it's still sealed. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. It's been sitting here for about a month. Just haven't been able to get to it. So now I'm able to get to it. This is the FNIRSI LCR meter. It gets mixed reviews. It's a mixed bag online, but I figured why not? Let's check it out. So we're gonna open this up. Give Cotty some cookies. I don't know if it's gonna be any good or not. I'll play with it for a while. Explore it. Okay, what do we get? We get the meter. Pretty light. Box weighs a bit. It's really, really light. Is there a battery in it? It's going to be a lithium ion, so it's going to be really light. I mean, compared to BK Precision. Alright, let's see what we get in the box. In the box we get USB-C cable. Pair of leads. Just don't look that bad of quality. AC 2000 volt. So yeah, they're not good quality. Then we get a pair of Kelvin leads. So open this up. Ooh, they're packed well. Wow, another pain in the butt. Some pretty thick heat shrink. Okay, we got Kelvin clips. Alright, will these fit the BK? Nope, they don't lock. I mean, they fit, but I mean, this is only a 3-wire meter, so not a 5-wire meter. But how do they fit the nice and tight, and they lock? So then you get a shorting bar. And yes, I will x-ray this. And I will put the x-ray right at the end of this mention of it. So I'm gonna have to start editing my videos a little bit to make them a little bit better quality. So I think that's everything inside. We've got a set of test probes, Kelvin clips, data cable, shorting plate, and a user manual. So let's power this up. Is it charged? It's charged. We want English. There it is. Alright, I like the display. I mean, compared to... I mean, for angle-wise, I can see the FNIRSI, but I can't see the 879 at that angle. So, angle-wise, I think the angle's pretty good. Let's grab a couple caps. Just some stuff I've pulled recently. I've just been throwing them over here to... I'll just do these right there. We'll hit this one here. Let's use the same clips. I'll use this. I'm not going to zero it or anything. I'm just going to try it right out of the box. I'm going to tap this on the table. And we should be 1 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz. See what this reads. 893 point. So 894.5-ish. That's 1025. So we're 1 kilohertz range auto. Wow. 1 kilohertz. Let's go frequency. 120 hertz. 120 hertz, we're at a 911. I haven't calibrated this. 927. You said just send me take it right out of the box, so let's try this one. Make sure it's discharged. All right, this is just crude. About 120 hertz is basically what we want to measure that. And that should be a 47. We're reading 42. $35.6. These are just old caps that had to be replaced. So this was a 220 reading 194. 190. $93, and that's supposed to be 220. $159. We're way off. 97 versus 159. So I don't know. I trust the BK Precision, See what this one reads. 897. 880. So we're getting a lot of differences, but I haven't calibrated it or anything. Same with this one. I haven't done shorted the leads, and so I will doing a quick opening of this. Let's open this up real quick here. These screws are super tight. See what we have inside. X-rays booting up. I think I might have forgot. Okay, oop, just drop the screws in there. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, of course we've got microcontrollers. Not much to this one, but we'll give this an x-ray and see if there's anything interesting in the layers. I don't think there is. But this will give me an idea of where I need to x-ray into two sections, I think. But yeah, I hate it when they laser off the chips. I don't think it'd be that difficult to hook in there and try to discover what microcontroller that is. And the battery. Probably put a way bigger battery in there. I don't know what the charge circuit is. I'd have to... It's probably nothing major. But there's nothing to this little meter.